It's time to stop pretending that you don't know anything about AI. You do. You just pretend you don't because you think it's too complicated. Well, not anymore. Here are 5 reasons why 18 to 34-year-olds should care about AI, including a couple of AI hacks that you can start using right now. Also, if you find this useful, consider subscribing for more content like this. Hey guys, it's your friend here. And so with all the buzz about AI these days, there's no doubt that AI is a massive trend that is reshaping our world. But for those of us who are not working at Google or OpenAI, we may be struggling to figure out exactly what this means for us. Because while we understand that AI is changing the world, we're not quite sure how this will impact our day-to-day lives. And to make matters worse, the more technical folks won't stop talking about large language models and artificial neural networks, which honestly doesn't help any of us non-technical folks understand what we should be doing about all of this AI stuff. So let us talk about 5 reasons why 18 to 34-year-olds in particular should care about AI and what you can do about it. Firstly, I'd love to share some AI hacks that you can use to improve your work and life right now. Number 1, AI can supercharge your learning. While traditional education systems often fall short in catering to the diverse learning needs and preferences of students, AI has emerged as a game changer in personal development. One significant advantage of AI is its ability to tailor learning experiences to individual needs. For instance, platforms like Brilliant use AI algorithms to personalize math and science lessons, adapting to your pace and learning style. By leveraging AI-powered tools, you can learn more effectively, efficiently, and at your own pace. With AI, learning becomes a personalized journey. You can access customized content, receive instant feedback, and enjoy a more engaging learning experience. It's like having a private tutor in your pocket. So whether you want to brush up on your math skills, learn a new language, or explore various STEM topics, AI-powered learning platforms can cater to your interests and goals. No more one-size-fits-all approach to learning. Embrace the future of education and unlock your potential with AI. So for example, if you've been meaning to brush up on your math skills or learn a new language, then check out Brilliant.org. There's loads of other stuff you can learn too. Number 2, AI can help you land a job. In today's competitive job market, having a standout resume is crucial. And guess what? AI can help you create one. AI-powered resume builders analyze your experience and match you with relevant job descriptions, suggesting the best keywords and phrases to include. They also offer templates and formats that are optimized for applicant tracking systems, giving you a competitive edge. You can use them to customize your resume, highlight your skills and experience, and make it easier for recruiters to find you. And if you need help preparing for interviews, AI-powered mock interview platforms can simulate real interview scenarios, providing you with valuable feedback and helping you practice your answers to difficult questions. These tools are designed to reduce interview anxiety by allowing you to rehearse and receive constructive criticism in a safe environment. So whether you need help crafting the perfect resume or practicing for interviews, AI-driven platforms can provide the support you need to succeed in the job market. And to give you a real-world example, my co-founder and CTO Arpid has used an AI tool called Mercu to build his resume when applying for jobs. It was really easy to use, and it only took a couple of minutes to generate a really good-looking resume. 3. AI can assist in content creation. Let's face it, creating high-quality content can be time-consuming, but AI tools can help you streamline the process. Whether you're writing blog posts, social media captions, or even scripts for YouTube videos, AI-powered writing assistants can provide suggestions and even generate content based on your inputs. My team and I have been testing out a bunch of AI writing tools recently, which I plan to write a comprehensive guide on soon, so stay tuned for that. What I can tell you though is that we've been using an AI tool called Ritter to generate scripts for our social media posts, and it has been a complete game changer in terms of saving us time. We've also been using an AI art generator called Midjourney to create all of the images that you see in our social media posts. And again, this has saved us hours and hours of time each week. So if you're looking to create content more efficiently, AI tools may be able to help you out. Number 4, AI can help you schedule your time wisely. Time management is essential for productivity, but juggling multiple commitments can be challenging. Enter AI-powered calendar and scheduling tools. These handy assistants can help you schedule meetings, appointments, and events by considering your availability and preferences. You can also use them to set reminders and receive notifications so you never forget an important task or deadline. To give a real-life example, I use an app called Calendly, which uses AI to recommend the best times to schedule calls with my team members and clients based on everyone else's availability. It also sends reminders and keeps me organized. So if you're looking to optimize your schedule and manage your time more effectively, AI-powered calendar and scheduling tools may be worth checking out. And number 5, AI can help you conduct better research. Research is a fundamental aspect of academic study, but it can be time-consuming. AI-powered research assistants can help you gather information, summarize articles, and even generate citations. And this is something that will benefit both students and professionals working on side projects. So if you're a writer, researcher, or student, AI research assistants can significantly speed up your workflow. You can use them to gather information from various sources, summarize lengthy articles, and even generate citations, freeing up your time to focus on higher-level tasks. For example, if you're researching for a paper or project, you can use an AI tool to quickly summarize key findings from multiple articles and generate a list of relevant citations. And so with these 5 AI hacks in mind, 18 to 34-year-olds can harness the power of AI to enhance their productivity, learning, and career prospects. By embracing AI-driven tools and staying informed about AI advancements, you can position yourself for success in the ever-evolving job market and drive innovation in your personal and professional pursuits. Next, I'd like to share some more insights into why 18 to 34-year-olds should care about AI. Firstly, it's essential to recognize that AI is already present in many aspects of our lives. From recommendation algorithms on streaming services to virtual assistants on our smartphones, AI is becoming increasingly prevalent. Understanding how AI works and its potential applications can help you make informed decisions about how to leverage it to your advantage. For example, by understanding how AI-powered job search engines work, you can optimize your resume and online presence to increase your chances of being selected for job opportunities. Secondly, AI is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. Many emerging jobs are in the field of AI, such as AI training and development, AI maintenance and monitoring. Additionally, AI is automating routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on more creative and strategic work. For example, AI-powered tools can automate content creation, data entry, and customer service, allowing individuals to focus on more high-level tasks. By staying ahead of the curve and understanding the potential impact of AI on various industries, 18 to 34-year-olds can position themselves to capitalize on emerging opportunities and thrive in the evolving job market. Thirdly, AI is an essential skill for future careers. As AI becomes more prevalent in the workplace, employers will increasingly seek employees who understand and can work with AI-driven systems. By learning about AI and developing related skills, 18 to 34-year-olds can make themselves more attractive to potential employers and advance in their careers. For example, skills such as AI ethics and governance, AI security and privacy, and AI data management are becoming increasingly valuable in the job market. By acquiring these skills, 18 to 34-year-olds can position themselves as valuable assets to employers and drive their career success. In conclusion, 18 to 34-year-olds should care about AI because it is already present in many aspects of our lives. It is transforming industries and creating new opportunities. And it is an essential skill for future careers. By understanding how AI works, staying informed about its potential applications, and developing related skills, you can position yourself for success in the ever-evolving world of work. Don't be afraid to embrace the opportunities that AI presents and use it to your advantage. That's all from me for today. If you found this useful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video. Bye.